Hey guys, welcome back to Techno Trend Zone. If you think the iPhone 17 Pro in Cosmic Orange was a massive hit, wait until you see what Apple has cooked up for this year. The iPhone 18 Pro lineup leaks are officially here, and we have our first look at the brand new dummy units. These units give us an exact look at the design, the weight, and most importantly, the stunning new color palette that Apple is bringing to the market. While the classic look stays familiar, the fresh shades and a massive camera upgrade are going to change the game entirely. Let's dive straight into what makes this lineup so incredibly exciting. When you hold these dummy units, the first thing that catches your eye is the color selection. Apple is dropping some of the old shades to introduce a very vibrant mix. We still have the classic silver, which carries that iconic aluminum premium vibe we all loved on the 17 Pro Max, but the other three colors are completely new. First, there is a deep, rich space black with a beautiful matte finish that looks incredibly stealthy and premium. Then Apple is bringing back a gorgeous shade of light blue. It instantly reminds you of the legendary Sierra blue, but with a slightly softer, modern touch. Finally, the absolute hero color of the year is going to be a stunning cherry red shade. Just like Cosmic Orange ruled the market last year, this vibrant cherry color is going to be the one everyone fights to get their hands on. If we talk about the outer design and ergonomics, Apple is keeping things very safe and consistent. Side by side with the iPhone 17 Pro Max, the dimensions, the camera island, and the button layouts look completely identical. You still get the action button on one side and the dedicated camera control on the other. The back glass still retains the exact same MagSafe alignment for your wireless charging accessories. It feels just as premium, but the real magic of the iPhone 18 Pro series is hiding deep inside the chassis. The biggest internal upgrade is definitely going to be the next generation Apple Silicon chip. This new processor will give a massive boost to heavy multitasking and gaming performance while optimizing battery life. Speaking of battery, early reports suggest Apple is putting much larger battery capacities inside both the Pro and Pro Max models this year. Combine that with a brand new, faster 5G modem, and you get a device that is built for extreme efficiency and long days of heavy usage. But the real showstopper for content creators and mobile photographers is the camera hardware. For the very first time, Apple is introducing a true variable aperture system to the iPhone 18 Pro lineup. This is a massive deal. It means the camera lens can physically open and close to control the light, just like a professional DSLR camera. Since people use Pro iPhones to shoot high-end music videos, vlogs, and even indie movies, this variable aperture will give creators unmatched control over background blur and low-light performance. It is a cinematic powerhouse hidden inside a phone. My honest opinion on the iPhone 18 Pro lineup is that it is a highly refined masterpiece. If you already own a recent iPhone, the physical design won't shock you, but the inclusion of a variable aperture camera and the gorgeous new cherry color make it an incredibly tempting upgrade for creators and tech enthusiasts alike. It perfectly balances style with raw professional power. We are also hearing whispers about an iPhone Ultra that might finally introduce Apple's first foldable screen, and I will bring you all the updates on that very soon. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe to Techno Trend Zone, share the video with your friends, and hit the bell icon so you never miss another exclusive tech first look.